My OPPO Reno 16, 很新this 16 has a magnetic back screen. OPPO created a little O screen, but raise digital pets or use it for rear camera selfies and recording. This back panel is the first one our camera just can't capture properly. Here it is, the all-new OPPO Reno 16 series. This time we've got our hands on the standard model, the Pro, and of course this OPPO bubble, or you could call it the little O screen, which I think is a huge surprise. Ooh. Oh, it's so compact and exquisite. The back panel is great, very sci-fi. It's that 3D effect. Can this even be captured on camera? That must be really hard. So the design on the box actually echoes the back panel. The box is easy to film, but the phone is definitely tricky. This Pro version is a bit bigger. Oh, look, guys, I just found an angle. See that? Look at this floating 3D planet, the star in the center, and this ring around it. It's all floating right there on the back of your phone. Wow, it really feels like watching a 3D movie. OPPO really keeps innovating with their back panel craftsmanship. But back to the point, the two colors we have here are both called Starry Heartbeat. Why that name? The reason is that the Reno 16 generation uses a 3D ice transparent light sensing finish on the back panel. As I just demonstrated, there is a small floating planet on the back. The 3D effect is truly striking. It is the kind of thing our cameras just cannot capture. But if you look at it with your own eyes at a 45-degree angle, look where my hand is touching now. It is only with my own eyes that I can. That planet's in a unique spot. You call it heart fluttering. It's called heart flutter. OPPO nailed it. It really makes your heart flutter. It's called names things well. It really gives you that flutter. Yeah, it fits. Beyond the craft, the back is cold carved glass. Both have matte metal flat edge frames up front. Both have flat screens with rounded corners. The Pro's bezels are narrow. Now let's bring out the OPPO bubble. Is this a protective case? Wait, this should be a magnetic patch, right? Oh, it's a small screen. So now my OPPO Reno 16 series has a back screen too. First off, as a screen, it can naturally switch between all sorts of wallpapers. Besides the default ones, OPPO has also provided us with some digital pets. For example, I think this one really suits me, mainly because look at its head. It's huge, so it's perfect for someone with a big head like me. I'm only joking. You are able to switch between all of these different wallpapers. This one gives off a really depressed sort of vibe. Haha, swipe over to the next one. This one is actually really cute. See that? And then the next one, oh, I think this one would be great before an exam. It's do not disturb. Like, I'm in a bad mood, don't bother me, right? I know this one. I use it when playing PUBG. Watch, it's about to pop up. Winner, winner. Then chicken dinner. Wait, no, not chicken dinner. Besides official pets, there are third-party ones you can download yourself. The best part is that you can combine your own photos or pictures of your kids into a custom wallpaper. Look, now it has photos, live photos, and even my own custom text. Do you see that? This live view is really quite different. Wouldn't you agree? Beyond the purely decorative aspect, the main focus is on its actual functionality. Simply slide it upward and it connects to the camera. Exactly. And now you can use the rear camera for taking selfies or for video recording. One important thing, please take it off whenever you are not using it. Do you remember that protective case from earlier? Tell me, isn't this pendant truly unique? Lastly, I want to talk about the small screen. It's definitely different from third-party accessories. The build quality is superb. And just look at these transition animations. The frame rate is incredibly smooth. It's very smooth and elegantly crafted. Honestly, how are you all feeling after watching this? I do want to remind you though, that I really recommend you go check out this phone in person and get a feel for it. The craftsmanship is truly unique, and we really can't capture it on camera. We honestly can't. I'm sorry about that. All right, bye.